What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul. In today's video, we're going to do some work on the Terminator, so let's go. Plan for today is to prep the Terminator for the upcoming season, and the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to bring it down and change the battery. I got a new Optima yellow top battery right there. That's going to go in the Terminator. The one in there is actually new as well. I bought it last year, but I'm going to put that one in Sally's GT, and the one in her car is going to go in our race trailer, which has a dead battery. So we're going to utilize all the batteries. We're also going to do an oil change on the Terminator, and I'm going to dust it down a little bit. It looks clean in the video, but there's quite a bit of dust on it. But I'm really looking forward to trying on the Odins on the Terminator, and yes, that's a badass little 347 sitting on the floor there. So anyways, let's get started and bring the Terminator down. All right, so I thought I was recording, but obviously I wasn't. So I'm just going to fill you guys in with what just kind of happened here. So I pulled out the existing battery. I tried putting in the yellow top Optima battery, but it's about a half-inch too big. It doesn't want to sit in the tray properly. So no biggie. Hopefully it'll fit in Sally's GT. I'm going to reconnect the existing battery. There we go. Oil looks good. Don't see any flakes or anything of concern. Really helps when the oil is warm. Just obviously makes it that much thinner, and it just pours out. Okay. Filter's out. Wicks 51372 is the filter for the Cobra. Don't forget to lube the seal. And I do put a little bit of oil in the filter. These, I don't fill it up completely because these ones go up and straight in on a 45. So if it's completely full, you're just going to be pouring oil out anyways. But I do put a little bit in. And the oil of choice is liquid moly, and I personally run 1040. Yes, I said 1040. I know a lot of guys think it may be too thick, but it works for the car. I kind of started experimenting with the car and going a little bit thicker and thicker and thicker because I was getting some blowout through the tailpipe. And I did run 1030 for the longest time, but now I did go to 1040 liquid moly, and awesome stuff. I was saying I don't have my oil funnel, so this is going to be a little tricky. Thankfully, it's got a little bit of a snout, but and see if I can just get it in here without too much spillage. Oh, that wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad, actually. All right, so I'm going to dump this jug in. I put 1 liter already, so once this is done, we'll fire it and then do our top up. Also, if you haven't used liquid moly 1040, don't be alarmed. It's a gray color. It's kind of weird. I forget. It's the anti-friction additive that they put in it. I forget what the little code is to it, but anyways, it's an anti-friction additive that they add, and it gives it the gray color. So makes it a little bit easier to see on the dipstick. So I do like that, but it takes a little getting used to. I remember when I first used it, I was like, "Whoa, what's this?" I didn't realize it was gray, and I thought the oil was bad or something, but that's normal. All right, perfect. So I just added another 3/4 of a liter, so that takes us to our 6.75 liters, and we're full. So we're good. We're all done here. Put this guy on. Good. We're good. Now the fun part starts. We're going to change the wheels. Actually get this off of the 4-post, and then I'm going to swing it into the empty spot here and change the wheels. Looking forward to that. All right, let's get these wheels off. All right, we got all 4 wheels on. I did a quick little wardrobe change, and I'm just gonna go for a quick spin around the block, let the suspension settle, and then we'll take a look. We'll take a look at the Torchy outside. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not 100% sold yet. I'm just not sure if it suits it on the Torchy. I think I just need a few more days to look at it. So I'd be curious your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. All right, that's going to be it for today, guys. We got the Torchy pretty much prepped. We attempted to change the battery. That didn't work out. We got the oil change done. Cleaned it up a little bit. Still got to give it a really good detail. And we got the Odins on. So let me know what you guys think of the Odins on the Torchy. I still got to look at it some more. But other than that, don't forget to check out our merch store. And if you're interested in supporting the channel a little bit more or further, there's your channel membership options as well. Other than that, you guys know we appreciate you watching, hanging out with us, joining us on the live streams. Really like doing that, so it's much appreciated. That said, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. Again, you guys know we appreciate all the watch time and hanging out with us and whatnot. So we'll see you again here on Paul DaFox.